Hello and welcome to Model Rail video number 5, which is designed to be enjoyed with Model Rail magazine, published monthly. Most modelers are familiar with steam locomotive sheds, but modern traction depots maybe get a little less attention, which is why we've come here to Toton in Nottinghamshire to see the day-to-day operations at English Welsh and Scottish Railway's largest depot and workshops. But first, a flavour of what we've got in store in this programme. It's the usual mix of inspirations, hints, tips, ideas and techniques which you can use on your model railway, whatever the gauge and scale.